Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is on the latest gaming technologies. The gaming industry is one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving sectors in technology. The advancements in graphics, gameplay, and even the way we interact with games have made gaming more immersive and engaging than ever before. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the latest gaming technologies that are driving the industry forward. Let's get started. Graphics technology. Graphics technology is one of the most significant areas of advancement in the gaming industry, come a long way from the pixelated graphics of the early days of gaming. Today, we have cutting-edge graphics engines like Unreal Engine 5 and Unity that can render photorealistic graphics in real time. One of the most exciting new technologies in this area is ray tracing. Ray tracing is a rendering technique that is simulating the behavior of light as it interacts with objects in the environment. This technique can create incredibly realistic lighting effects, reflections, and shadows. NVIDIA's RTX series of graphics cards are among the first to feature dedicated ray tracing hardware, allowing for real-time ray tracing in games. Another technology that is driving graphics forward is machine learning. AI-powered upscaling techniques like NVIDIA's DLSS can improve the resolution and sharpness of graphics without sacrificing performance. This technology can make games look even better on lower-end hardware, and it's expected to become more prevalent in the coming years. Gameplay technology. Gameplay is another area where we've seen significant advancements in recent years. One of the most significant changes is the shift towards open-world games. Games like Grand Theft Auto 5, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Cyberpunk 2077 allow players to explore vast, detailed environments and complete objectives at their own pace. Another technology that's driving gameplay forward is virtual and augmented reality. VR technology has come a long way in recent years, and devices like the Oculus Quest 2 and the PlayStation VR provide immersive experiences that were once only possible in science fiction. Augmented reality, on the other hand, can overlay digital objects onto the real world, opening up new possibilities for games and other applications. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is another technology driving progress in the gaming industry. AI is being used to improve game mechanics, create more realistic environments, and provide more challenging opponents. One of the most significant advancements in AI is the use of machine learning. Machine learning algorithms allow games to adapt to player behavior, creating more personalized experiences. This technology is being used in games like Assassin's Creed Odyssey, where AI-controlled enemies can learn from players and develop new tactics. AI is also used to create more realistic environments, with games like Red Dead Redemption 2, Grand Theft Auto 5 utilizing AI to create dynamic and immersive open worlds. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated game environments in the future. Cloud gaming. Cloud gaming is another area that is seeing rapid development. Cloud gaming allows players to stream games over the internet, eliminating the need for high-end hardware. Services like Google Stadia, GeForce Now, and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate enable players to access a library of games from a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. The advantage of cloud gaming is that it can provide high-quality gaming experiences without the need for expensive hardware. However, it requires a stable internet connection and can be susceptible to latency and other issues. As the technology improves, we are likely to see more players turning to cloud gaming as a way to access the latest games without breaking the bank. Mobile gaming. Mobile gaming is another area that has seen a lot of growth. The rise of smartphones and tablets has led to an explosion in the popularity of mobile games. Games like Candy Crush, Pokemon Go, and Fortnite have become massive hits with millions of players worldwide. One of the most significant advancements in mobile gaming is the use of cloud technology. Cloud gaming services like Google Stadia and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate can be accessed on mobile devices, allowing players to enjoy high-quality games on the go. This technology is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the mobile gaming industry. Multiplayer gaming. Multiplayer gaming has always been a significant part of the gaming experience, and it's becoming even more important as we move forward. With the rise of esports and online gaming communities, multiplayer gaming has become a massive industry in its own right. One of the most significant advancements in multiplayer gaming is the use of cross-platform play. Cross-platform play allows players on a different device to play together, breaking down the barriers between platforms. Games like Fortnite, Rocket League, and Call of Duty Warzone have all implemented cross-platform play, allowing players on PC, console, and mobile devices to play together. Another technology that's driving multiplayer gaming forward is the use of dedicated servers. Dedicated servers provide a more stable and reliable online gaming experience, reducing lag and improving matchmaking. Services like Amazon Game Lift and Microsoft Azure provide dedicated server hosting for game developers, making it easier and more cost-effective to implement online multiplayer modes. Accessibility. Accessibility is another area where we have seen significant advancements in the gaming industry. Games are becoming more accessible to players with disabilities, with features like text-to-speech and colorblind modes becoming more common. Another area where accessibility is improving is in game design. Games like The Last of Us Part 2 and Hellblade: Senua's Sacrifice have been praised for portraying characters with disabilities, highlighting the importance of inclusivity in game development. Virtual and augmented reality. Virtual and augmented reality are two technologies that are transforming the gaming industry. Virtual reality, or VR, allows players to immerse themselves in a virtual world, while augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital information onto the real world. One of the most significant advancements in VR is the use of haptic feedback. Haptic feedback technology provides a more immersive experience by allowing players to feel physical sensations within the virtual world. Companies like Haptex and Tesla Suit are leading the way in haptic feedback technology, developing gloves and bodysuits that provide a range of tactical feedback. AR technology is also becoming more prevalent in the gaming industry, with games like Pokemon Go and Harry Potter: Wizards Unite utilizing AR technology to create interactive experiences in the real world. The use of AR is expected to grow, with projections indicating that the AR market could reach $120 billion by 2023. TacSuit X40. The TacSuit X40 is a haptic feedback suit that allows users to feel physical sensations in virtual reality, or VR, and gaming experiences. The suit is designed to enhance the immersion and realism of virtual environments by providing haptic feedback in response to various in-game events, such as impacts, explosions, and environmental effects. The TacSuit X40 was developed by B-Haptics, a South Korean company that specializes in haptic technology. The suit features 40 haptic feedback points that are strategically placed on the user's body, including the chest, back, arms, and legs. The haptic feedback points use a combination of vibration, pressure, and motion to stimulate physical sensations, making the virtual experience more immersive. The TacSuit X40 is compatible with a range of VR headsets and gaming systems, including the Oculus Quest, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR. It can be used with a variety of games and applications, including first-person shooters, racing games, and flight simulators. Razer Gaming Finger Sleeves. Razer Gaming Finger sleeves are made from a breathable and sweat-resistant material that provides a comfortable gaming experience. These sleeves are designed to fit snugly around your fingers, reducing the amount of friction between your fingers and the gaming controller or mobile screen. The sleeves have a textured surface that provides a better grip, making it easier to control your movements and aim accurately. The gaming industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations driving progress and shaping the future of gaming. From graphics engines and gameplay mechanics to artificial intelligence and cloud gaming, there are many exciting developments that are driving the industry forward. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments which is your favorite gaming technique. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.